Hey, what's going on? 𝗪𝗵𝗫 here. If you're watching this video, chances are you may be doing your research on E1U Life, this high ticket affiliate program, and you want to make sure, is this legitimate? Is it right for you? And ultimately, if you're one of the many people from around the world that have been hopping into this really hot opportunity right now, how can you hit the ground running and ensure you make the money you want? Now, in all transparency, I'm actually a member of E1U Life. I love it. One of the reasons is the instant commissions that you can make and the close to 100% commissions. That's how I've really been able to generate the income you can see on here. This is my back office. You can see that to date, I've been able to generate $58,957. And I was able to do this very, very part-time, okay, using 3 simple steps that I'm about to reveal to you as you watch this entire video. Now, what I'm going to share with you is first off a flow chart of this process so you can be like the many, many people on our team and start to generate these instant $2,000 commissions with E1U Life. So this is the flow chart right here. Now, you can see right here, 200 clicks of top tier traffic. What's going to happen is when you actually partner with us at the link under this video, and you join at the Vertex Live level, which I'll touch on a little bit later in this video, you're going to be able to actually get 200 clicks of top tier traffic going directly to your funnel link. Most people struggle when it comes to generating traffic or clicks to a link online when they want to do affiliate marketing. Not to worry. When you partner with our team underneath this video, you're going to be able to actually access these clicks. So you're going to be able to hit the ground running. As these clicks are coming in, as these leads are going through the funnel, and many of them will decide to buy, many of them will pull out a credit card, go to the order form, and make a buying decision. You can also focus on learning other traffic methods that we share inside of our team as well. So we are going to send these 200 clicks of top tier traffic to our high converting funnel, which has pre-written follow-up emails. So what's going to happen again is when you actually partner with our Freedom Family E1U Life team, if you haven't heard of the Freedom Family, it's basically our team that's massively growing. We have people from around the world, a lot of beginners jumping onto our team and using our resources to hit the leaderboards, using our resources to generate their first $2,000 commission, even while they're sleeping, as you'll see how as you keep watching this video, okay? So what's going to happen is, and again, you'll see in a second, you're going to access our high converting funnel, which has pre-written emails built in. So they will start doing all the telling, selling, and following up for you when those clicks start going through. And what's going to happen is those emails are going to have your E1U Life affiliate link. It's going to have your link where you're going to get the credit when someone goes and they make a buying decision, okay? Because when they actually rush to that order form, you know, really smiling, happy, eager to join us through you, you will actually get credit. And you will get, as you can see on this flow chart, your instant paying $2,000 commissions. You know, if you go to other affiliate programs online, you're going to wait a week, 2 weeks, up to a month to get the money. When you make a commission with E1U Life and our team, you're getting the money right away, okay? So it's really, really powerful. Now, what I want to do is actually break down more information on exactly how you can set this up and how you can do the same thing. So the first step is you want to go down below to the link under this video, and it's going to take you to this page here. Now, this page is what's called an opt-in page. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on this orange button where it says watch the training. And right here, you want to put in your first name and you want to put in your best email, because this is going to allow you to receive crucial information to partner with our team and become the next success story. So once you put in your best email, what you want to do is click submit. And what's going to happen is 2 things. 1, you're going to get redirected to this page. And 2, you're going to receive an email. Now, the email is going to have a link to our 4-day affiliate marketing crash course. Now, this is a free course that's going to walk you through step by step how to really master high-ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, how to start getting traffic, how to find different resources online to ensure you make even more commissions. So it's very important you also take time, go through that course step by step. But on this page, what you want to pay attention to, what I want to draw your attention to is this Get Started button here, okay? Now, feel free. You can also watch these testimonials. You can hear from other teammates that have been able to generate commissions using our funnel and our process. But if you just want to look over it, again, you can. But you want to click this Get Started button here, and this is going to take you to the E1U Life sign up form, okay? So it's very, very simple. E1U Life is incredibly simple. Maybe you've tried things in the past and you failed. Maybe you've struggled. Maybe you've been confused. E1U Life is incredibly simple. It's step by step. And that's why, again, people love this community. They love this platform. So now what you want to do, once you've clicked on that Get Started button, is simply fill out where it says full name. Okay, this is actually first name. Last name, you put it there. Username, so you want to create a username that you're going to remember, where you can actually log into your E1U Life back office and check your different commissions that are coming in every single day. You're going to check your, we have training in there. There's a lot of resources in your back office. Then you're going to create a password, put in your address, your phone number, okay, and just click submit. Now, once you click submit, you're going to get taken to your back office, the back office of E1U Life. Now, it's going to look like this, okay? And if you don't see this right away, you simply want to scroll down, and at the bottom of that page, the bottom of your dashboard, you're going to see all these different levels that you can join E1U Life at, okay? So this is an affiliate program that has many different levels. Now, every level is going to give you different resources and different assets. You can see landing page, email templates. Now, the cool thing is whatever level you join at, you're going to unlock that level and all the levels under it. The next step, though, and what my team and what people from around the world have been doing that have been making those instant $2,000 commissions, maybe you've been seeing a lot of the incredible proof. You want to join at the Vertex Live or higher, okay? Because what the Vertex Live level does is when you actually unlock that level, you're going to unlock the ability to qualify for the $2,000 commissions, okay? So it's important and crucial that you join at the Vertex Live or higher level. So to do that, you just click on Vertex Live, and this is gonna appear, this pop-up. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna activate the Vertex Live level, okay? Now, you can join higher if you wanna earn even more commissions, up to $7,500. But if you wanna access the resources that I'm sharing, those 200 clicks, you want to join at least the Vertex Live. Now, the Vertex Live is just a one-time $2,500 payment. And to submit that payment, all you have to do is click Continue to Checkout. So once you do that, you'll get taken to this safe and secure order form. Just like if you've purchased anything else online, you just want to go through the process, enter your card details, whether it's a credit or debit card, put the name of the card or the name of yourself that's written on that card, and then select the country or region that the card is in and just click this orange pay button. Once you do that, your payment will go through and you will unlock the Vertex Live level. Now, again, you're going to unlock all the levels under it as well, all the other resources. Once you do that, okay, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to access our private Facebook group. So our team, the Freedom Family, has a private Facebook group, and I want to share with you this right here. So we have all these different people, okay? Many different members, helpful, supportive, ready to welcome you with open arms, to really help you stay motivated and on track to hit your income goals. Now, I have a pinned post in our group, and this pinned post has fast start steps. So if you've ever joined something and you're confused, you don't know what to do, not to worry. We've created a fast start guide on every single thing you need to do to start making these $2,000 commissions. All you have to do is start with step one, access your high converting funnel. Now you're gonna get access to our same funnel, okay? I wanna go here real quick. This right here is our high converting funnel. This funnel works incredibly well at getting people eager and ready to go to the order form, pull out their credit card, and make a buying decision. So you're gonna be able to leverage this exact same funnel with the exact same high converting follow-up emails already pre-written and ready to deploy. You're also going to be able to get access to this page. Now, this page will have your link attached to this button, so they will sign up through you. This will be your affiliate link. So when someone signs up with our high converting funnel, you're going to be able to get credit of those sales. Number 2 is access the 14-day email series. We have share codes, okay? So you can just import them within a couple seconds. Number 3 is if you're like most people do decide to join the Vertex Live level, you can learn how to activate your 200 traffic clicks. Okay, so we have a quick tutorial. Essentially, you'll just email the person you joined, and we show you how to find their email. And then that person will take your funnel link, take this link here, and they will start sending top tier traffic to this link. So then you will start having people opting in. They're going to click this button. They're going to put their name and email in your funnel. Your leads will start getting followed up with through email, and they will go to the link and they will decide to buy at the Vertex Live level, just like so many people are doing right now. And you will get commissions, okay? You will start getting commissions, just like myself and just like all our teammates. Now you can go on, okay? We have many different levels or many different, information. You can access my own personal YouTube videos. Okay, my name's Garrett 𝗏𝗍𝗂. You'll be able to access my own videos since you're a member of our team. And you can upload them on your own channel on YouTube to get traffic to your funnel. You put your own link, your own funnel link under our videos, and you will get traffic and sales and conversions as well, okay? How to reply to any leads. If as you start using this, some people may have a question. I give you copy-paste answers to send them to convert that lead into a buyer. So this is incredible. E1U Life is the vehicle you want to enter and you want to run with. Okay, you want to just floor the gas and just hit the next level, because with the payout structure, the instant close to 100% commissions, it's so easy to take that money to scale your business to heights that you couldn't even possibly imagine. And with our resources, you can shortcut your learning curve, shortcut the path, and you too can crush it. Go down below right now, click the link, you'll get taken here, put your name and email, you'll get taken here. You can watch this video if you want, it's a very good video explaining more, or you can just click get started, follow this, and go ahead and follow the process here, and then go ahead and access your clicks and all that good stuff, okay? If you have any questions, comment them below this video. Until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.